Hey guys, Liam here again. This time bringing you an update on the Mavic Air 2, which I picked up yesterday. This specific video is in relation to the fitting of an iPad mini to the new controller. As you can see, the new controller is a lot different from the original Mavic controller, which accommodated an iPad mini with ease. It just slipped on like that. It was nicely balanced in the hand and worked really well. But DJI have, for whatever reason, decided to not let the new controller fit the iPad. The new controller pulls up and it'll take a large phone, but that's a bit the height of it. The iPad is about 2 inches too long for it, or 2.5 inches. So I decided I'd come up with a bracket of some sort to hold it in position, because I can't stand using my phone while I'm out flying, because invariably somebody will ring or text in the middle of it. I know you can put it in flight mode, but you have to remember to do that. And sometimes there's updates required on your device or whatever, so it's just easier to use the iPad. This is the bracket I made. It's made of 20mm flat aluminum scrap metal that I had in the shed. It's 3mm thick, and I've created with these two grooves in the back, and the grooves fit in between these two bars here. I've also chamfered it with a Dremel, so it'll only fit in a particular way, but also it locks when it goes into that position. So in there, can't go any further. It's in the central position, I can't force it over. Also means I can't install it the wrong way around, it won't go. But that's just for ease of installation. It's really strong. Won't fall out of it. Can't fall out of it because it can't pull out from between the bars. And the iPad just catches on the top, slips into position, plug it in. That's it, it's in. Won't fall out of it. Tested this outside quite a bit, won't fall out. It's good and safe. It doesn't take long to make. It took about an hour in total, and it cost nothing, so that's even better again. I fitted this little piece of 3M velcro up at the top here, and that's just literally to prevent it from scratching the edge of the iPad when it's gripped in. As you can see, it just catches on it instead. The bar, measurement wise, as I said, is 20mm wide, it's 3mm thick. The holes here at the back, it's 14mm between edge to edge from here to here. As I said, chamfered with a Dremel tool at a particular angle, so it allows it to fit in between the bars. It's 7mm from the back edge here to the center of these grooves. It's about 27mm, I think, yeah, from the edge to the center of this first bend. That's probably the most important measurement in this. After that, then it doesn't really matter. So that allows you enough room for it to catch here on the bars, if you can see that. Catch there and still slip up past the front of this. It gives you just a nice profile for this. It's 76mm roughly from the center of this bend to the first bend up here, and about 12mm then from there out to the edge. And again, these bends, have just put them in a vise and just bent it over until it was close enough. This angle here is about 80 degrees. All right. It's quite simple, works really well, costs nothing. So if you just want to try it, give it a go. Let me know how it goes for you. If you're stuck for measurements or any information on it, just leave a comment below and I'll help if I can. But yeah, works really well. Won't fall out. So, and if the video was useful, hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.